So the time is 14 minutes to 11, and ever since last week Sunday, let me get the specific date. Sunday the 26th, I started eyeing Nasdaq. I was looking for a short, or I'm looking for a short. This is gonna be like a long-term trade. I feel like it's gonna take about like 6 days, maybe like 7 trading days before I can even move my stop to break even. Then from there we can expect for like my take profit to hit. If it goes there, but that's the idea. So I just fund right now. And I honestly it's ready right now. I might enter the trade right now just to like grab the risk, then enter the full position tomorrow. 30 minutes later, so last size I can go is 0.10. Sell market. Here we go. It's floating at 4 rand. That's what I was meaning, checking out the risk. Look at that. You see, when that stop loss gets hit, that means account is blowing. Oh yeah, Nasdaq is really different. Might have to find some more tomorrow, I'm not even lying. Then let's also define risk. I mean reward. 3 to a K. Okay. It's a bit different because I feel like if it was US 500, I would have been floating at like 0, something rand with the same lot size. It's kind of scary, I'm not gonna lie. But if it blows, it's not blowing today or overnight. So yeah, we'll see what happens tomorrow. Okay, the time is 5 minutes past 9. We're about to check out the markets. In the morning, I woke up and I marked out this fair value gap and set a limit order there in the hopes of like if price comes up, takes me in and pushes down. Also didn't mark out this one, but I noted it. I was like, you know what, this is an inflation fair value gap. Let's see what the koala is looking like. Okay, yeah, we're in floating at 290. So I feel like we should close it. Yeah, I'm gonna close it just because price not touching there is a good thing. But it's only day one and we still have a long way to go. So basically when we're above this lows right here, see exactly where I marked out this little vertical line here. Let me just extend it like this. Below those lows, trade to break even. Can't take partials because 0.10 is the lowest lot size. And the other thing is that yeah, I funded 256, but my equity almost 400 type of situation. Although when my stop loss gets hit, I'll be losing significant, like almost like 90% of the account. But still gonna stay on this position. We'll see. Today, 1st of December, 36 past 7. Wanted to get the first reaction of like the markets. So last night before I went to sleep, I marked out this fair value gap on the hour. Personally would like to see price respected. Then also the other thing that I noted last night is the fact that here on US 30 is like an upwards candle. US 500 is a green candle, but it's less significant compared to US 30. So hopefully US 30 behaves because we want these things to be in sync. If they're not in sync, it's gonna be a problem. Yeah, other than that, let's delve what we're floating on currently. Okay, 147. I don't know, that's like what we dropped compared to last night. But still have faith in this position. We'll see how we close and if I should be anxious over the weekend or not. Yeah, I just saw the markets right now and I just have to say that it's how can I say this? It's not what I wanted to see. It's not what I wanted to see. Let's check how much we're floating on. So looking on the daily chart, it generally looks like we're not gonna break the high today. You know, that's the only positive that I'm looking at. Looking on the 1 hour chart, I don't know. I would have liked to see this favorite gap remain unfilled, and this one here uses an inversion. which they tried, but price just pushed up. Yeah, here is the limit order that I entered today, and like I entered when they tapped into right there on this 1 hour favorite gap, price pushed down and measured to like take out this low, you know, then came all the way up. But yeah, nah, that's the market, bro. That's the market. So right now I'm like generally having like internal conversation of like whether I should like close these positions or like I should hold. But holding feels like I'm playing a hope game type of situation, you know? And I have to make my decision before the market closes, or else I'm gonna be like crossing my finger over the weekend, you know? Yeah. Now just the fact that the market is not like perfect is making me anxious right now. So yeah, let me enjoy my supper and I'll see what decision I make. I've made my decision. I like to keep like the suspense going. I'm gonna keep the price fluctuation right at the bottom of the screen while I'm talking. This trade has not been easy for me because I cannot take partials. Partials put me at ease. So yesterday when we're floating at around like 200 and something, I was like, oh, would have taken partials here, you know. Today I would not really have taken partials, but when you're looking at like the price from the 5-minute, you could have seen like we created some sort of like lower low where we created some sort of lower low and came back to take out that lower low. At that point I would have taken partials, just cause when price does that, for me it's like, why are you doing it with so much resistance? I genuinely do feel like I do understand how they deliver this market, you know. Like there's really something that happens and like I cannot justify why it happened, you know. In the morning I stated you really want those things to be in sync, because if they're not, it's gonna be looking shaky, you know. With the USDT creating that higher move yesterday, it was really a situation of this is not a clean trade like as I would like it to be type of situation. So yeah, we're about to close this.